Hello, I'm Gina Alahar at nandito kami ngayon sa Aquatica Marina which is a part of El Puerto Marina Beach Resort and Spa. You know, for the last 2 days nandito po kami and I really enjoyed my stay here together with my son Jeff and his family at talagang nag-enjoy ang mga apo ko, 3 apo ko ang kasama ko dito. I would say that this vacation is both educational and fun. Educational kasi nakapunta kami sa 100 Islands. And dahil dun sa tour sa 100 Islands, in-explain sa amin kung ano ang history ng lugar na yon sa Alaminos, Pangasinan. Yung nag-tour sa amin, si Sir Ray, is talagang knowledgeable. Alam niya talaga kung ano yung lahat ng sinasabi niya and very interesting yung kanyang pagkakakwento. Ang galing niya mag-explain. And yung 100 Islands tour talaga, we visited 4 islands. Yeah. So ang ganda, ang ganda. It's so educational. Fun kasi, wow, what an experience. I so appreciate the people dahil ang babait ng mga tao dito sa Pangasinan, dito sa Lingayen, lalo na dito sa El Puerto. Ang babait ng mga tao. They're so friendly and they're so efficient and lagi silang nakasmile, ganun. And they respect our privacy. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako at napaka-komportable ko dito. And thank you. Talaga, maraming salamat sa management ng El Puerto Marina. And of course, syempre, special mention who took really good care of us. Walang iba kundi si Sunshine. Maraming salamat at dun din sa mga kasama niya sa food and beverage department, sila Gino, sila JM, sila Richard. Maraming salamat for feeding us. Imagine, nandun kami sa 100 Islands. We had lunch sa Quezon Island and from here, from the hotel, dala-dala nila lahat ng pagkain namin, ng lunch namin doon sa Quezon Island. And hindi basta-basta pagkain, ha? We had the budol kind of setting. You know, may itlog na maalat, may talong, may kangkong, may alimango, may hipon, anything, may pansit, may puto galing sa Kalasyaw. Lahat, napakasarap talaga. At lahat yon dala-dala nila yon. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. And of course, thank you sa Department of Tourism for giving us a special treat, for giving us a special trip to the 100 Islands. Ngayon, hindi ko na lang nabasa ang tungkol sa 100 Islands. Totoong nakita ko na at my age. Ngayon ko lang nakita ang 100 Islands. Ngayon ko lang napuntahan. Thank you for this opportunity. You know, I'm really so blessed to be able to experience this thing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone, to all people here in Pangasinan, in Lingayen, especially in Lingayen, and Alaminos. Maraming salamat sa inyong warm welcome sa amin, sa aking pamilya. Congratulations to everyone. Keep up the good work! I'll be rooting for you!